When small and medium businesses start to grow, managing inventory, orders, and billing can turn into a real headache. You want something that keeps everything in sync without bouncing between spreadsheets or disconnected apps. That is where tools like QuickBooks Commerce and TradeGecko come in. They both promise to simplify your back-end operations, but they do it in slightly different ways that can really affect your day-to-day flow. Let's start with QuickBooks Commerce. This platform is built right into the QuickBooks ecosystem, which means your accounting, inventory, and billing all speak the same language. It automatically syncs orders, products, and payouts from multiple sales channels, whether you sell online, in stores, or through marketplaces. That integration saves you time and cuts down on manual data entry. You can create and send purchase orders, track stock across different locations, and get real-time visibility into what is selling. Because it is connected directly to your books, your inventory costs and profits are always up to date. The biggest advantage here is that you can handle everything from one place. You can see your sales performance, stock levels, and cash flow in one dashboard, which makes running your business a lot smoother. Now let's look at TradeGecko, which is now part of Shopify. TradeGecko was designed from the start for product-based businesses that sell across multiple channels. It specializes in inventory and order management, and it still stands out for its flexibility. It keeps stock levels synced across all your platforms, helping you avoid overselling and keeping fulfillment on track. The reporting tools are strong, showing which products, customers, and vendors or sales channels drive the most profit. TradeGecko also supports multi-currency invoicing and taxes, making it useful if you deal with global customers. While it integrates well with Shopify, it also connects to accounting platforms, letting you manage orders and inventory while still linking to your financial tools. The system feels more like a dedicated warehouse and logistics hub that plugs into your storefront and accounting system. There are trade-offs to consider. QuickBooks Commerce is straightforward, but some of its more advanced inventory features might require a higher plan. TradeGecko is powerful, but since it has been merged with Shopify, some of its older features or integrations have changed. The good news is that both can streamline your workflow and reduce manual tasks. In the end, the best choice depends on where your business pain points are. Do you struggle most with financial tracking or with product logistics? If you need clarity in your books, go with QuickBooks Commerce. If you need control over stock movement and customer orders, TradeGecko might be the better fit. Both tools can take your small business from juggling spreadsheets to running like a well-oiled operation. And that means less time worrying about what is in stock and more time growing your business.